Amber Heard saga continues. Her years-long legal battle with ex-husband Johnny Depp has been the topic of discussion for many months now. From Depp losing a libel suit last year to rumors of Heard being fired from Aquaman 2, the fallout between the two has seen some wildly unpredictable developments. Today, though, we got word that the actress has gotten herself into a serious legal situation, one that may result in jail time for her. Karma. Amber Heard faces jail time for perjury. According to Inside the Magic, Amber Heard was reportedly probed by the LAPD and now faces some significant legal troubles. The Los Angeles Police Department has not confirmed anything regarding the investigation, but reports are continuing to come in regardless, and they are pretty serious. Amber Heard's allegations have been disputed by many stars associated with Johnny Depp, including Winona Ryder and Vanessa Paradis. That does not mean we should discount what she is saying, but it does mean that the authorities need to look at this from every possible angle. Not only with a clear picture can they reach a clear, fair conclusion. Say what you will about who is right and who is wrong here, but both parties deserve fairness here. The accusations Amber Heard has leveled against Johnny Depp have lost the actor dearly. Late last year, Depp was fired from his role as a villainous Gellert Grindelwald in the upcoming Fantastic Beasts 3 film and replaced by Mads Mikkelsen. He has also reportedly been ousted from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise, a franchise he had a direct hand in popularizing, and replaced by Margot Robbie, who will function as the new lead of the series. Additionally, Amber Heard's abuse allegations resulted in Johnny Depp attempting to sue the Sun for calling him a wife-beater. He lost the case in November of last year, and since then, the hashtag Justice for Johnny Depp has circulated the internet on several occasions. The popular actor has more than his fair share of supporters, and the Los Angeles Police Department's probe of Heard may add a new dimension to this case, one that could completely change how we perceive what happened between the two. As for what Amber Heard is reportedly in trouble for, the current word is that she is suspected of perjury. Recent body cam footage appears to cast doubt on some of Heard's domestic violence claims against Johnny Depp, some of which originally alleged that their penthouse was in disarray following a dispute. If convicted of perjury, Amber Heard could end up facing 4 years in jail. As for what is actually happening with Amber Heard, we have heard very little in the way of concrete information, but if this report is true and she is being probed by local police, then the entire situation just got even more complicated. Only time will tell, and it will probably tell us soon. This is one of those stories that, if confirmed, could make its way into the trades within days. The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard saga continues as the actress is now being investigated for perjury in her domestic violence case against the Hollywood actor. Heard had accused her then-husband of physical abuse during their marriage, which UK publication The Sun had reported by calling Depp a wife-beater. Depp subsequently filed a libel suit against the publication, which he ultimately lost a year later in 2020. But now the Los Angeles Police Department is taking another look at Heard's alleged 2016 explosive fight with Depp that had happened in their downtown penthouse in LA. According to German outlet Bild, the Aquaman actress is facing allegations that she faked information about a big fight between her and her former husband that dragged their marriage to its downfall. Adam Waldman, who is a longtime lawyer, friend of Depp's, has also allegedly confirmed that the investigation against Heard is underway. Waldman, a noted attorney, believes the crime scene was staged by the actress. He told the German outlet Amber Heard and her friend Rocky Pennington staged the May 21 crime scene to prove the abuse allegation against Johnny Depp. Never seen before body camera footage from LAPD's responding officers at the scene has also spurred speculation surrounding Heard's innocence in the matter. This footage and the brand new police testimony were introduced recently to the still ongoing domestic violence legal battle between the couple, pointing to new evidence. Waldman claimed the crime scene was an enormous lie. Waldman believes the new evidence proves that the explosive fight that Heard claims happened between the two never really took place. Reportedly, the two cops who first responded to the scene also said in their individual depositions that they didn't see any evidence of a crime at all. Apart from the libel case that Depp lost, He had also filed a defamation lawsuit against Heard in the wake of her alleging that she endured domestic violence during their marriage. Heard had made the revelations without naming names in an op-ed she had written for the Washington Post in December 2018. There, she had detailed her experience in an abusive relationship, which spurred Depp to sue her after he lost movie roles in the wake of the scandal. Heard had also sued Depp back, alleging that the Pirates of the Caribbean star had organized a harassment campaign via Twitter and orchestrating online petitions in an effort to get her fired from Aquaman and L'Oreal. Heard was last seen appearing in Justice League Snyder's Cut after she was fired from Aquaman as evidence of her own abuse towards Depp resurfaced. But now she reportedly wants to grill Depp's attorney friend Waldman in court about these alleged tabloid leaks. Heard claims that the attorney was behind feeding private information and stories to the media that portrayed her in bad light in an attempt to tarnish and discredit her allegations against Depp. Bild also notes that if proven guilty in the perjury allegations, Heard could face up to 4 years in prison. The internet too is lobbying against Heard once again in the social media war that had left people divided. One Twitter user shared a screenshot of a news article reporting on the new developments in the case, writing LAPD has entered the chat of investigating Amber Heard for perjury. To that, many replied along the lines of she should be in jail and lock her up and throw away the key. The latter was a common sentiment, as another user also tweeted, "This crazy witch needs locked up, seriously." Another claimed she looked like an abuser to me. Nothing beautiful about her. She is a vile, nasty person for abusing her ex-husband for years. Yet people only see a beautiful face and won't look past to what she has really done and is really capable of. One user simply celebrated the possibility that Amber Heard could face 3 years of jail. "I couldn't be happier." Amber Heard faces FBI-backed perjury investigation. Amber Heard could be facing jail time in Australia for the smuggling of her Yorkshire Terrier dog's pistol and boo into the land down under back in 2015 during a film shoot for her ex-husband Johnny Depp. After a statement made in London courts by Depp's attorney claiming Heard ordered Depp and his estate manager to remain quiet about her bringing her dogs into Australia on a private jet in 2015 without declaring them or obtaining the proper paperwork. Australian officials began an FBI-backed criminal probe investigation to allow AU officials to question those close to the actress and event in the US.